Now let's move to our second part, which is proposal presentation. For this one, each team will have 15 minutes for presentation and 15 minutes for Q&A section with the judges committee and the community. For the first dev team, I would like to invite the team Smart World, Pet Smart Home and Gym to present your proposal.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, now I will share screen, right? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you see the slide?
Yeah, perfect. We can see it now.
Okay. Let's start. Hello, everyone. We are Irene Pet Gym. We are a group of young people who will go all in for the welfare of animals on Earth. So today we will talk about our problem and solution, introduce about ourselves and introduce about our master plan, and also some of the reference if we have time. So let me jump right into the problem and solution that we gonna provide today. So as a fact that a lot of pet owner will leave their pet alone at home for like 8 to 10 hours per day while they go to work, right? So, but the recommendation is just 4 hours. So the pet will become very boring and very unengaged at home. And even when the owner come back, they don't have much time and do not know how to play with their pet. So as a result, most pets don't exercise enough. Animals are born to do physical exercise. Both dogs are born to run. Cats are born to jump. Birds are born to fly. But most of them, when we take them as pet, we don't let them have the reason or stimulation or the space to do so. So this will bring a lot of physical problem to the pets. For example, overweight. Overweight is in the top 3 most popular problem for pet in US. And when an animal is overweighted, a lot of problem will happen. And one big problem is joint diseases. The joint, especially the leg joints, will become weak, and in the end, they even cannot move. That is my dog a year ago when I'm too busy from work, so he just cannot move. So I have to quit my job to take a remote job to take care of him. And also when the pet is not active enough, they will lie all day, they will eat all day, and then the skin and the ear will infect with some diseases. Yeah, a lot of problem, physical problem. And the nightmare is not end here yet. The pet will have mental and behavioral problems. For example, separation anxiety, because they are too bored and inactive and alone for too long. And they can develop destructive behavior, such as destroying the furniture or barking or howling. That is my passport, and literally my dog just ate it because I left he at home for too long. So I feel the pain. And with statistic, according to AVMA, approximately 1 in 5 dogs and 1 in 10 cats in the US suffer from behavioral problems. And the cost to treat behavioral problem is very high. In a dog is around more than 1,000 US dollar, and with a cat is around 800 US dollar. So a lot of the owner don't afford that price, and they just cage the pet. And when a pet is caged, more destructive behavior or even aggressive behaviors will develop. And in the end, a lot of them will be abandoned, and they will end up in overcrowded animal shelter just like this. So we want to end this problem. We want to solve those problems, and we are work together to build a smart gym machine or smart gym system for animals that will help animals to exercise physically and mentally. In our machine, we will use theta wave to cure mental disorder problem or to improve learning performance. and we will analyze data to understand and adapt to animal condition. Basically, when a pet is working or playing or exercising with our system, they will train mentally and physically at home or go to the gym. Right. Okay, so now my friend here will share with you about the scientific basis of our product.
Hi everyone, I am the biology guy in our team, and as Anton already mentioned, our every robot is a smart product. So because it's smart, it's not only based on technology but also based on scientific. So in terms of scientific basis, we decided to use theta wave or theta sound as a therapeutic method to cure the animal mental and physical disorder. So why? Because a lot of scientists already found that theta wave is found in our human and animal brain when they do the creativity task or learning something new or memory formations, or most important for healing our brain when they have some damage in our brain. So this is one very famous study done by the Florida Institute of Technology to prove the function of theta wave. So in this experiment, the participants are made to listen to theta sound and also white noise and also beta sound. And the result, and after they listen those sounds, they will do a memory test. And the results show that people listen to theta sound have a significantly better memory core than those listen only to white noise or beta sound. And this is one study done by me and my partner in City University of Hong Kong 2 years ago in my neuroscience laboratory. This experiment, we used the theta bus stimulation to restore the auditory brain map of hearing loss animal. So for the hearing loss animal, their hearing brain map almost lose their function. They didn't work anymore, and the neurons there cannot respond to sound. But after the theta bus stimulation, we found out that almost all the neurons in the auditory brain map already recovered, and they can respond to the sound. And also we found out that those animals are less depressed, less anxiety. They don't hear the phantom noise in the ear anymore and raise their awareness. So we decide to pair the theta rhythm or theta sound with the gym task and together with the reward in our Erin robot, so that the animal will really like to listen to the theta sound, and then they do the exercise and then very happy to do exercise. And for the record that this pairing theta sound with gym task is not for merely entertaining purpose for the our furry friend, but also for the therapeutic purpose and also educational purpose, so that our animal can improve their mental health, improve their physical health, and improve the learning performance or their memory. So to do that, in our Erin robot, we have 3 different modules. The first one is habituation. In habituation, our furry friend will listen to the therapeutic signal, like the conditional signal, the theta sound or any other, when they get their reward, like their favorite food or favorite smell, favorite object. And then after that, they form a conditioned reflex. After they form the conditioned reflex, they will be made to play a lot of games. And when they play those games, they will feel happy whenever they listen to the theta sound. And when they play the games, we will collect the data and then give the input to the advanced analysis module. So in this advanced analysis modules, we build an AI model to give the advanced solution to enhance the efficiency of the next game modules. So this is the first module habitation. The animal will listen to the theta sound or any therapeutic signal, and then they will get the reward. And if they don't like it, the habitation will be repeat and repeat again, and then it forms the conditional reflex. And after that, they move to the game module. In this game module, our furry friend will also listen to the theta sound, and then be asked to play a game. For example, here he needs to pull a rope, and until he succeeds to do that, he will get the reward. If not, it repeat again. And then after that, he will play another game like catch a ball, or chasing a laser, or jumping over a barrier or a ring, or catching a mole, like that. A lot of games. And when they get acquaintance to all those games, they will be made to play 5 games in a series. So only after they finish the 5th game, they will get the reward. So the purpose that we do this 5 games in the series, we made them to listen to the theta sound 5 times in a row, because when they listen like the theta wave 5 times in a row, it creates a profound effect to help the healing their mental disorder. So our Erin robot also can fit into a lot of space availability. We can use them indoor at home, also outdoor in the zoo or in the rescue center, because we can modify our game. And when our furry friend play the game, we will collect those data for our the 3rd module to build an AI model, so we can create the game customization for each animal, and then we can get the disease diagnosis from those data, and also behavior detection, and then give the recommendation for the pet owner so that they can take care of the pet better. So after that, my friend Hoàng Anh will introduce you more detail about our master plan.
So hi everyone. So my part is about the master plan for building our products. So our master plan is including a plan for 2 years. In the first year, we will try to build a product which is useful and easy to use for pets. And we will create a core product package and looking for the first customer in the first year. And in the second years, we will have a plan to increase the product usefulness, make them easy to use, easy to set up, mobility, compatibility, and industry specific for mass production. We also try to increase the social connection for pet and pet owner. In the second year, we will try to get new customers, boost customer retention, and speed up the development of advanced analysis module. We also develop communication module. So our main module here is including 3 main modules. One is habituation module, the second is the game module, and the third module is advanced analysis module. The detail of them, Mrs. Zhang already mentioned before, so I will look through about it. So we also have the definition of product development, including the definition of ready and the definition of done. So we already define how we finish our product, and including the material, the document, and the final product. About the detail of product, we have a five product. The first is beating mold. The second is bring the bone back to the owner. The third is catch line. The fourth is jump over the circle. And the 5th is rope pulling. This is our 5 product. So this is our timeline. In the first month, we will kick off and set up our team. In the second month and the 3rd month, we start to manufacturing the product 1 and product 2. From the 4th month to the 8th month, we will test, experiment, and fine-tune product 1 to product 5 alternatively. We also have an experiment plan. We will select a group of healthy dogs and a group of mental disorder dogs for experiment and setting with our product. So here is a cost structure for a material, including microcontrol motion and other. So the total is around $5,000 for one game module, and for the 5 game module, this is around $22,000. And here is another cost structure for animal experiment, including room, dog, cage, food, water, and so on. This is total about $32,000. And we also have a quotation for the first year, including the salary for team member and the complete core product package. This is total $182,000. So a little information about us. We are a group of people who understand the pet, understand how to make robot and know how to develop product, have a business knowledge. My name is Hoàng Anh. We have a Mr. Nguyễn Anh Tuấn, the first person who talked in here, and we have a Mr. Đỗ Trung Thanh, Mrs. Giang Lưu, and Mr. Phạm Ngọc Thanh. So our last word is, let's write the star of the gym, not the pet in the cage. Thank you.